Guys, in this YouTube video, it's raining. Finally, guys, it's raining, it's falling. Guys, in my visit here for 1 week, I never saw it rain. It was always hot, hot, hot. But today, finally, it has rained. The hot weather finally cooled down. Guys, did you hit the subscribe button? Did you give this video a huge thumbs up? The rain is becoming more heavier. That means you gotta hit the subscribe button. And guys, if you like this video so far, share it. It's raining, it's falling, la 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 la. So guys, today night we are going to Bangalore because it's already become 1 week and I don't know what all I'm going to miss of the notes, of the tests. I don't know. And how much should I write? So today finally we're going to Bangalore. I actually miss my teachers, my friends, my grandfather. I miss them. But I like to live here also. The weather, it is hot but it's cool. It's like nice and everyone are here. All my family members are here. And leave that. Do you guys want to look at fishes? This is an fish tank. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know. But here this house is big. They have fish tank. And up of it in the terrace, they have like small birds. Here actually when do I have washing machine, but here also they can do it by hand. And I just like to sit there, just roam around the house. It would be nice. And guys, happy Children's Day. And it's my father's birthday. Yay, I have a win-win. It's my day also, it's my father's day also. The rain is actually right now, it's not stopped, it's drizzling. And guys, I have not researched, like I have a whole book about the rain, planets, sun, earth, all the planets, about the whole solar system. And I have about or that heat and rain. So I have actually read the entire book, not the entire book, the entire of the rain. So now I'm going to be telling you what all lines I have read, like what all is in my brain right here. So let me tell you, let me go into the room because I don't want to walk. Going into the room. So this is the room right here. Just close it, not lock it. Ta-da! I'm all alone. So let me tell you what all I have read about it. So yeah. So what all is in this brain right here? So first thing I'm going to be telling you what is rain. And before I tell you what is rain, go and watch this part 2 first.